What's up, YouTube? It's 2005 Neon SRT4 coming from good old Lancaster, California. So right now I'm working on a Neon, see, and what's going on with the Neon is I have a tire pressure monitoring system that is on there and it stopped working. So I got this kit from Amazon and we're gonna see how it goes. Let's get started. Okay, here it is. Looks exactly like the old one. In fact, it might be like the old one. So that's the screen. Lock wrench. Here are that. Because right, left, right, rear, front, right, front, left. So pretty much self-explanatory. So we got to install them and then we have to pair them. So I'm going to start pairing them. Basically what you do is find the right sensor and you just connect it to the stem. So it's going to be front, left. some air